Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making spinach stew, so keep watching if you want to know how I made this. My choice of protein for this recipe is fish, which I have already cooked. Next I will transfer in my preheated oil and allow it to fry. This is horse mackerel and is very tasty. You can use any proteins of your choice. While that is frying, I will blend my pepper mix. I've got bell peppers, fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet peppers and onions. At this time I check on the fish and it's well fried. Next I will scoop it out from the oil and set it aside. In the same oil I will go in with my roughly blended onions, garlic and ginger, curry powder. If you can lay your hand on fresh curry leaves, it works perfect. Next, I will give it a good stir and allow it to fry for a while before adding my blended peppers. Next, I will go in with my blended peppers. I will give it a good mix, cover partly and allow it to cook down. Here is my fresh spinach, which I have already washed properly. Next, I will slice and blanch it. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. Next, I will add hot water and allow it to sit for 1 minute. Next, I will take it to my sink and run cold water on it to stop it from cooking. You guys, this whole process is to remove excess liquid from the spinach so that it doesn't transfer the liquid in our sauce. As you can see, the spinach has reduced in size. I will set it aside for later use. At this time, I check on the stew and it has cooked down. Next, I will season with seasoning cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good mix, add my fried fish as well as the stock. I will mix to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a low heat so that the fish will absorb the stew. 5 minutes later, our stew is almost ready. Next, I will go in with my spinach and we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.